Hello and welcome. This is just a short video to show you the listing. Here we have a Qualcast Commodore. This is an old model. It's perfect running order. I've done a complete strip down and rebuild of the engine, so it works fine. 3 large chains, and this is 4-stroke, so there's no 2-stroke to mix. Just the same petrol as what you put in your car. One slight dent at the top of the box. This is not a new mower. This is what I class as quality, British made, Suffolk Foundry's engine. So they do the Suffolk punch, but this is a better model than the Suffolk punch in my view. The blade, the bottom blade and the top blade are all nice and sharp, as you can see, and it's just patina on this. It's not rust really, it's just patina, which I think it's, for an old model, it makes it look just right. Okay, I'll start it up for you so you can see it running. Choke. A few pumps on the tinkler. Take the choke off. So all you do, lift up the clutch, drive it into gear, there, let out the clutch. Just like they did it in the old days. It's a lovely mower. I really want to keep this one for myself, but needs must. And there you are, it's an item. If you want it, come and get it. Thank you very much.